ka Cebuano na usab ang nanghawod sa Interior Design Licensure Exam 2023. Siya si Ryan Japhet Gablines, lumad nga taga dakbayan sa Lapu-lapu, kinsa nag-rank 1 sa naasoyng pasulit. O karon sa atong programa, sayran ta ang iyang istorya sa pagpaningkamot sa kinabuhi nga atong kakuhaan og inspirasyon. Busa, ato siyang himamaton dinilang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
That's all. Welcome mga kapuso. Ryan Japhet Gablines. Mayong buntag kanimo.
Mayong buntag.
First of all, congratulations.
Thank you so
For
much
being number 1 sa licensure exam sa Interior Design. How do you feel about this milestone, Ryan?
Grabe, like kanang na-culminate na jud ang mga hard works, mga prayers. Grabe jud ang struggle sa pagkuan sa board exam, and I'm really happy and I'm really grateful and truly honored to be among the top notchers, especially top 1 jud first time sa USC.
Pero it doesn't come without struggles, as
Yes.
you mentioned, di ba? Unsa may mga challenges nimo isip usa ka interior design student, Ryan?
Naturally, sa mga interior design students are probably na makarelate na magduog plates, time management jud ang struggle sad sa mua. Like, we try to manage everything and all the plates, but I think na these challenges is really the package or the training for us to become very professional in terms of like dealing with clients and projects. So it's really a great training for us.
And you also have a very impressive portfolio kay usa ka artist, urban sketcher, mural artist as well.
Yes.
Nganong na-involve ka sa arts? Nganong nahilig ka niini?
Pagbata nako, ang inspiration nako kay si Papa Jud. He is a furniture draftsman, and I na-inspire ko niya to create mga architectural works. So it really influenced my path to do in the creative field. So I chose interior design. At the same time, ako mga friends sa senior high sa USC, an arts and design track, na happy ko na daghan big mga talents about design, so we gathered all of them and nag-create me og like mural painting ng mga services. So it really starts with the family and friends na nag-inspire nako sa kanina creative field.
Wow, born to be an artist, nagayud ka, Ryan.
Yes.
And aside from that, honor student usab ka, gani magna cum laude usab ka sa interior design. Wow.
Yes po.
Unsay motivation nimo niini, Ryan?
Ang motivation dyan ako is the thirst for learning. Kay when I started interior design sa University of San Carlos, I'm really impressed and happy na I learned to love the course. I love the training, and I see how competent it is to be interior design. So in my part na I really wanted to push and place my foot forward always, Juds. So mo na siya.
Dinhi sa Sugbo, unsa may nakita nimo kung ikaw pabuton ka? Unsa asa mga lugar dinhi sa Sugbo ang gusto nimong pintalan, himuong mabulokon para sa kadaghanan?
So far, wa pa ko ka-ansat ka-travels a lot of sa Cebu, but I really wish na sa atong mga highways or mga other places bitaw na dagan og urban kuan na medyo siya settlings. And so we really wanted to inject creativity bitaw and inject that creative Filipino or Cebuano identity through arts and murals. At least na nindot atong environment sad.
Ug doon na ba kay mga study tips nga pwede nimong mahatag sa mga estudyante din ha, whether or not arts ang ilahang gikuha or interior design? Ikaw, giunsa nimo para malampos gayon ang exam?
Ako nagplan jud ko og manage sa akong time, and then nag-schedule jud ko og mga subjects per day and gather a lot of review materials and look for trends in all the exams, and always keep practicing jud like solving, drawing, or unsay mga kanang exams. So dapat i-train jud imong self and really prepare like physically, mentally, and spiritually.
Wow, thank you kaayo. Very helpful kaayo ang tips nga imong gihatag. Ug isip pa na po, Ryan, unsay mensahe nimo para sa ato ang mga kapuso nga nagtan-aw karon?
Hello, ako si Ryan Japhet Gablines, taga Lapu-lapu City, and I'm really thankful for all the support. And I just want to say to always strive for excellence, set your goals, pray, manifest, and always do the work so that you can achieve your goals.
Thank you so much for inspiring us this morning, Ryan, and congratulations once again kanimo.